What up, you guys? So today I got off work, went to the P.O. box, and I was like, it was like, you got a package, sir. So I went over there, picked up the package, and let's see what we got. So I got something for all y'all at the end of this video. So make sure you continue to watch because it's something special for you. Everybody. So just from the looks, you guys, the tray look huge. It like I might can bake a cake in here. Very nice. I like that the grease can drip down in the bottom. They got the strainer in there. You know, the air fryer don't make much grease, but the little bit when you spray it on there, if you're doing some fried chicken or something. Check out the back. Oh man, look, you can usually I don't really like the cords to dangle around, so I like to keep these ties. But this one you can take it around there like that. You know, not calling out no other appliances, but I really like how they made that. So you can wrap it around. And you don't have to worry about it dangling or getting caught on something. Or showing if you like to keep it on the countertop. This will probably go on the countertop right here. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna go over here and go wash out my inside. But look at the inside, it's huge. I mean, nice, amazing. Then we'll go get it fired up. Stay tuned. Okay, so the air fryer came with an air fryer recipe book. I'm gonna check it out and see what's in here. And see if there's anything I might can make right now. French fries, get some thick frozen potato wedges, onion rings, bacon wrapped shrimp, jerk chicken wings, skirt steak, salmon with dill sauce. Oh, grilled cheese. I ain't had one of them in a while. I might have to try that. Donuts, cherry pie. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Oh, that's in another language. Oh. Hey, yeah, so they put in another language for it. Sorry about that. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be making some wingnut, so I'm gonna go ahead and preheat this to 400 like the book calls for. Oh, once you push it in, it goes ahead. That makes it power. That's like a super safety. So it got the like the LCD touchscreen. I'm gonna just adjust it to 400. Then we'll go ahead and push it in, get started, and get it started at preheating. And I'm gonna go over here and we're gonna go ahead and season up my chicken wings. So a big shout out thanks to OMORC for sending me this nice air fryer. Can't wait to do more things with it. It made the wings come out nice, amazing, and crispy. Check this out. Not sure y'all if y'all could hear that crunch, but it got an amazing crunch to it. So what I have for everybody that's viewing, I have a promotion code SAVE to save $30 off. So if you would like to purchase one of these, code is going to be SAVE 30 off. All you have to do is click the link in the description. So thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and go over there and purchase you one of these nice air fryers. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.